Most businesses waste thousands managing separate systems when Vyoma One ERP does it all in one platform. This comprehensive solution handles your entire business operations seamlessly. Financial management becomes effortless with automated accounting, real-time reporting, and complete compliance tracking. Inventory control tracks stock levels automatically while preventing stockouts and overstock situations. Human resources get streamlined with employee management, payroll automation, and performance analytics. Real-time dashboards give you instant visibility into every aspect of your business performance. Vyoma One system, total control. Vyoma One ERP, brought to you by Vyoma Digital. Modern software,